Have your indoor plants stopped growing? Are the leaves staying small, growth seems slow, or your plants just don't look healthy anymore? This simple homemade plant booster can also be used for cucumber plants during warm growing conditions. Plants often slow down because of low nutrients, weak root activity, or less than ideal growing conditions such as poor light or unsuitable temperatures. To prepare this mixture, start by taking 1 liter of room temperature water. Then add 1 spoon of raw rice, 1 spoon of oats, and 1 small spoon of sugar. Stir everything well and leave the mixture for 12 to 24 hours so the ingredients can soak into the water. After that, strain the mixture and keep only the liquid. Before feeding, make sure the soil is slightly moist. Apply a small amount around the base of your indoor plants. If using for cucumbers, use only during active growth and warm weather. This mixture is not a replacement for fertilizer, but it may support soil activity and become a gentle addition to your regular plant care routine. Use it only once every 10 to 14 days. Avoid using too much sugar because it may encourage mold or attract unwanted pests. For best results, combine this with proper light, regular watering, and healthy soil. If you found this tip helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your results in the comments. See you in the next video.